Yes, 10 sprawls, 20 each side punches, 20 jumping jacks and 20 each side mountain climbers. Hi Amrish, join in. So let me explain you the workout meanwhile that you are warming yourself up. So the workout is AMRAP 12 minutes. You will have 6 minutes to do it. Okay. So the movements are simple. The first one is a sprawl. You have to do 10 of these. Okay. Second one is a jumping, it's a punch, front punch, hold the dumbbells, punch in front, 20 on each side. Okay. The third one is a jumping jack, 20. And the fourth one is a mountain climber, 20 each side. Okay, let's go for it. I'll keep telling you the movement. Start with sprawls 10. Yes, bring your leg forward and get up, Amrish. Yes, you need to get up also. Yes. Yes, and up. Again go down. Yes. Yes, very good, Ajita. Yes, Amrish, now you'll do punches with light weights in your hands if you have. So you'll punch and back, punch and back.
I only have heavyweight. Can I go ahead with it?
Yes. Yes, good. Very nice, Amrish. Good. Yes, Varun, fair enough. Yes, after the punches, you have jumping jacks, 20. Yes, good, Vikram, good. Very good, Rahul. Yes, after jumping jacks, mountain climbers, 10 on each side.
Mountain climbers is 10 on each side. I thought it's 20 each.
Sorry, 20 on each side. Sorry. Time wise, we are left with 4 minutes. Let's target at least 3 rounds, everyone. Continue the workout, don't stop. So today we have a continuous workout with slightly reduced intensity in terms of speed. Yes, so in sprawls, make sure when you take your legs back, the torso doesn't dip down. Tuck in your stomach, engage your core throughout the movements. Don't let your stomach go loose. Don't let only your thighs or shoulders take the load. Your abdomen should be equally engaged in all the exercises. Very nice, Dipen. Good.
Jumping jacks, how many?
20. Last 2 minutes, everyone. Let's finish 3 rounds if we are at the final one, or maybe if you are doing 4th or 5th round, finish that off. Yes, good Ajita, good. Don't tilt yourself, body straight. Yes, good. Good Radhika, good. Keep that going. Last 1 minute. Even if you are finished with your rounds, you can still continue with any exercise. Maybe the first one, you can continue with sprawls. Yes, good Amrish, good. Last 30 seconds. Let's continue the workout for another 30 seconds, everyone. Three, two, one. Relax. Rest, everyone. Were we able to do 3 rounds? Yes, 4, very good. 5, excellent. Good, good. Yes. Good, Amrish, good. You picked up even if you joined late. Yes. Okay, relax. Have water, and now we'll be moving towards the next part. So today we are going to do some abs. Alright, and the movement that we have chosen is planks and crunches. Alright. So let's begin with our planks. Let's see how are we going to do. So it is going to be a timed workout, as in 30 seconds of movement, not 30, in the plank I would give you initially 15 seconds and slowly take it up to 30 seconds in one go. Okay. So the first movement looks like this. We'll pick up one movement, do 3 sets and so on. Alright, just watch. So we will be doing elbow planks. Be in the plank in the first movement. Now watch it. Take your torso slightly up, bring it down, up, down. The rhythm is slightly slow. Don't be in a rush to do this movement, and there is a continuous engagement of abs while you do it. Don't let your stomach go loose. Okay? I will be giving you a 15 seconds timer to do it. So make sure the movement is slightly slow and controlled. You don't need to worry about the counts. Alright, let's get ready. Take your position. We are starting in 3, 2, 1. Start. Plank hold. Movement up and down. Started, yes. Torso up, torso down. Torso up and down. Yes, keep breathing normally. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax. Sit in a cross-leg position, everyone, while you are resting. We do 2 more sets of this same movement. Okay, concentrate on coming down also, okay? Don't just take it up. It is up and down pulses. Alright, let's get ready. Second set, take your position. Elbow plank, starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Be in the elbow plank, yes. Up and down, timer has already started. Not very up, just slightly up and then down, yes. Slightly up and down. Keep looking straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. We'll do one more set. This time we do it for 20 seconds. Same movement. Okay, get ready. In the plank, elbow plank starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Up and down pulsing. Tuck in your stomach, everyone. Engage your abs. Don't let your stomach go loose. 10 seconds gone by. 10 more to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Now, we'll do another movement which is twisting side to side. I'll show you a side view and a back view also because toes are very important here. Just watch. So again 15 seconds of movement, and how we'll be doing is we'll be here in the elbow plank, and from here turn on one side, turn on the other side. Just observe that the lower body is turning. And I'm not turning like this, okay? Don't turn like this. You have to stay in the plank. Only the lower body is turning. Now watch the toes. So I'm here, just watch the toes. Full turn on the side. Full turn on the other side. Full turn. Okay, got it? You need to turn your full foot. Let's go for it. Take your position. So you might feel that your legs are slipping away. You need to engage your core and use your strength to stay in the position. Okay, starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Elbow plank, start twisting side to side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, be in the child pose. Relax your spine. Slightly pull yourself up in the cobra. Okay, let's go for second set. Same movement. We'll be doing it for 20 seconds now. Positions, everyone. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Start twisting side to side. Yes, keep breathing, and at the same time, tuck in your stomach. Feel a squeeze happening in your obliques as you go. Obliques are the side abdomen muscles. You will feel a squeeze there. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Radhika, your elbows are going way forward, so you're kind of slipping away. So just make sure that you don't slip away. You can adjust your feet on and off. Okay, even if your body is slipping away, just make sure you step up and adjust your feet. Okay. Alright, third set, same movement. 20 seconds again. Positions, starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Start twisting side to side. Yes, engage your core. Keep adjusting your feet if required. Stomach tucked in. Keep breathing. Look straight. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, get up. Take a walk. Take a walk, everyone. Next, we'll be doing plank leg raises. Okay. So, this is a slightly tricky movement. I'll explain you. We've done it many times before. Just watch it. So, here, be in the plank pose. And from here, slightly take the leg up. Pause, down. Up, pause, down. Up, pause, down. Now observe when I'm taking the leg up, the body is in the plank. Don't do this. Okay, I'm not going to take my leg any higher. It is just a slight leg raise and down. Up, pause, down. Up, pause, down. Alright, yes, got it. If you are not able to raise the leg up, you can stay in the plank for that much duration. Okay? So even if you are not able to take the leg up. Let's take our position again 15 seconds in the first set. Position starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Raise one leg, down, other leg, down, yes, other leg, down, yes, Radhika, you need to resume. Good, good, 3, 2, 1, relax. Varun, you need to be in the elbow plank, okay, not in the palm plank. Relax everyone, be in the child pose once, relax your spine. You can sit in a cross leg position as well. Okay, let's go for second set. This time 20 seconds, same movement, leg raise one by one. If you get tired, just stay in the plank, don't lose the movement. Okay, starting in 3, 2, 1, start. One leg up, down, other leg up, down, yes, very good. Keep breathing, engage your abs as much as possible. 5 more seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, relax. Okay, last set of this one. Yes, never mind Radhika, join in. Leg raise, plank leg raise and start. 20 seconds again, yes, torso down Radhika. Yes, very nice Ajita, when you raise your leg up, make sure the torso is down. Very good Dipen. Go for it guys. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Now let's do a cat and a camel pose. Then we'll do the plank hold. Let's be on all fours. We are going to relax our spine now. Now be in the, breathe in, be in the cat pose. Your chest goes down, shoulders are back, hips are back and you look up. Now when you breathe out, hunch your back, pull your shoulder blades out, tuck in your stomach and keep repeating it 3-4 times. This relaxes your spine. Do it on your own 3-4 times. Yes. And then move to the child pose and relax. Okay. Now let's do some crunches and some leg raises. Then we are going to do the plank hold. Plank hold will be the last movement. Okay. Now today we are going to do tabletop crunches and how. So first be in the tabletop. That's your tabletop position. You lie down. Lift your legs, folded legs up in a 90-degree angle. Don't bring your legs very close, otherwise your abs will not be engaged. The whole purpose is to engage your lower abs. So slightly push your legs away. Okay, this engages your lower abs. Now from here, keep your hands behind your head like this and try to get up in a crunch. Try to squeeze in your abdomen as much as possible and breathe out. Okay? We are going to do crunch pulses for 15 seconds. Get ready. Lie down. Be in the tabletop first before we begin. Everyone in the tabletop. Okay, starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Yes, start the crunches. Breathe out every time you crunch. Make sure your legs don't move towards your chest while you are crunching. Radhika, push your legs away. Very nice. Good, Radhika. Excellent. That is how a self-correction is done. Relax. Okay. Now from here, while you are here, you can relax your spine by twisting your legs side to side like this. Okay, and turning your head away. So turn your head away in the opposite direction, twist your legs. This is one way of relaxing the spine. Okay, let's go for second set, this time 20 seconds. Be in the tabletop, everyone. Everyone, tabletop. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Start the crunches, yes, very good. Hands behind the head, squeeze in your abdomen. Don't let your abdomen go loose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax, and you can relax your spine by twisting your legs, or you can just lie down. Okay. One last set of this one. Be in the tabletop. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Start the crunches. Yes. Squeeze in your abdomen. Try to stabilize your body. Parag, push your legs slightly away. Yes, good. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Excellent. Okay. Get up, take a walk. We'll be doing leg raises now. Get up, take a walk. 30 seconds breather here. Alright. Meanwhile, watch what we are going to do next. Okay. Now, you lie down with your legs raised at 90. This is your starting point. The legs remain there. Okay. Hands by the side. Now, move one leg down. Don't touch it on the floor. Bring it back up. Down, up. Down, up. 15 seconds on this leg. Then 15 seconds on the other leg. Okay. So this is your start point. Only the leg goes down and up. Alright, let's get ready. Take your position. Lie down. Both the legs up at 90 degree, everyone. 90, 60, whatever you are able to manage. Okay, start. Take one leg down, bring it back up. Same leg, don't do alternate, same leg. Down and up. Amrish, both the legs have to be at 90 degree. And then you take one down and up, yes. Change your leg now. Now the other goes down and up, down and up. Don't do alternate, do one leg at a time. Okay, relax. Relax, everyone. Alright. Rahul, you can do a scale down version. Okay, just watch. So what you can do is, you are here. Take one leg up, slowly bring it down. Don't touch it on the floor. Up and down. Okay. This is what you will be doing for 15 seconds. After that, start doing it on the other leg. Alright, like this. Now, everyone else, try if you are able to do the full movement, which is being the 90 degrees. You need to straighten your legs. If your legs are not straight, you can slightly bend, but don't be here. This is an incorrect leg position. Okay. So, you need to engage your abs. Maybe you can take it slightly down. And from here, take one leg down, back up, same leg down and up for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds is what you will be changing your leg. Okay, let's go for it. Second set, lie down everyone. Legs at 90 degree and start. One leg down and up. One leg down and up. Yes, very nice Rahul, good. One leg down and up, yes. Go for it, 5 more seconds here. 3, 2, 1. Change your leg now. The other leg goes down and up. Yes, try to straighten your leg as much as possible. Go for it. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good, Radhika. Very nice movement. Okay, relax. You can again relax your spine by turning your leg side to side, folded leg side to side. Relax your spine. Or you can sit normally or keep lying down, whichever way. Okay, one more set, same movement. Raise your legs up at 90 and start. One leg down and up, down and up. Yes, continue for another 10 seconds. Three, 2, 1. Change your leg. Go slow. Slowly down and up. Slowly down and up. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. While you're relaxing, watch the next set. Now, in the next movement, your body will remain like this in 90 degree. Raise your leg up in 90. This is your start point. Now, from here, take one leg, make a full circle, as big a circle as possible. Okay, do it for 10 seconds on one leg. Okay, then do an anti-clockwise. First clockwise, then anti-clockwise, as big a circle as possible for another 10 seconds. Then change your side, as big a circle as possible. This leg remains at 90. Okay, got it? Yes? Let's go for it. So 10 seconds clockwise, 10 seconds anti-clockwise, then change your leg. 90 degree everyone. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Rotate one leg, big circle, as big circle as possible. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anti-clockwise now, same leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change your leg. Start clockwise circle, as big a circle as possible. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse anti-clockwise. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Slowly bring your legs down. Don't drop them suddenly. Okay, twist your spine side to side, your leg side to side to relax your spine. Okay. Alright. Now, one more movement of the leg raise and just watch it how. So, this we had only one set, okay? Alright. Now, in the next set, in the next movement, what you are going to do is, this is a comparatively, I would say, easier movement. Now, from here, fold your legs, bring them out and down. Up, fold, closer to the chest, bring them out, down. Okay, 10 seconds here, and then reverse. Down, up, fold. Down, up, fold. Got it? Yes? Let's try that. 10 seconds. One way, 10 seconds the other way. Okay, start. Yes. First take it down, then fold it, bring it to your chest. Yes, good. Okay, reverse. Reverse movement now. From down, take it up, fold it and back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, we'll be doing one more set of this one. Okay, let's get ready. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Raise your leg up, fold it, then bring it down. Up, fold and down, yes. Good, good, good. Carry on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. Yes, down, up and back. Yes, whichever way you were doing, that's fine. You can choose either way to do. Yes, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax. Okay, get up, take a walk. We'll be doing plank holds now. Get up, take a walk. Everyone, please take a walk. 30 seconds walk. Okay, we'll be holding the plank for 30 seconds and 45 seconds and then 1 minute. Okay, 3 sets. Let's get ready. First is elbow plank hold is what we'll be doing. Get ready, 30 seconds elbow planks. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Squeeze in your stomach, maintain your core. Keep breathing. Very nice, Dipen. Excellent. Good, Ajita. Very nice, Varun. Yes, good, Vikram. Good. Go for it. Keep breathing. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Be in the child pose or you can lie down also. Okay, get ready. 45 seconds now. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Elbow plank hold, keep breathing. Engage your core, feel it in your stomach. Hold it, hold it. 20 seconds have already gone by. Last 15 seconds only. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Yes, last 5 seconds, guys. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. Okay, take a walk. One last set. We'll be adding more rest here before we do a 1 minute of plank hold, so that all of you are able to sustain it. Okay, let's get ready. Last movement, last set. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. 1 full minute of plank hold, 30 seconds plank hold, 60 seconds plank hold. Good, good, good. 15 seconds gone by, 1/4 done. Keep breathing, yes. Just tell yourself that it's 35 seconds more. Yes, go for it. Last 15 seconds only. Try to maintain it. 10 seconds only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Excellent. Good going, guys. Get up, take a walk.